What is the criteria of being a man? Unfortunately now our society is pushed by social media. What makes a man? If we're really honest tonight, in our society today where we live, there's a lot of honor and respect and glamour given to the one that knows how to fight. Anyone who knows how to throw a few punches, in our society this is admired, this is loved, this is considered an attribute of a rijal. That if you know how to fight, this is why now MMA is such a big thing in our community. Sports that the Prophet ﷺ clearly made haram because of the striking of the face, but really deep down we don't care about what the Prophet really thinks. We care about what the society think. And now if you don't know how to fight, then brother, you're not considered as a man.